I'm not going to do trigonometry. Very simple questions like this one that I just drawn over here. So in this question, let's say angle A is equals to angle APD. And then the first question says we must find the, or should I say we must show that angle x equals to 60 degrees. So let's check triangle AACP and relate this angle with the things that we have. So we have a right angle triangle, and then it means AP is a hypotenuse, and then there is this side over here which equals our angle. So we could use sine ratio, sine of x equals to 4 3 square root of 3 over 8. So now you could say x equals to sine arc sine of 4 3 square root of 3 over 8. So it's the same as, and then we know that sine of 60 equals to this thing inside the bracket. So our x is going to be 60. So let's move on to part B. So for part B, we're told to calculate length A AD. So before we could do this, let's relate angle AD to the things that we have in triangle ADP. So we have this and this side, but the triangle is not right angle triangle, which means we could use sine rule, cosine rule, and area rule. We don't have area of this triangle, we can also use the area rule, and then we don't have an angle that opposes this side. We don't have two angles in the triangle, so we cannot use sine rule. We could use cosine rule by firstly finding this angle, which can lead us to find this angle side here. So let's say angle APC equals to 90 degrees minus 60, which can give us 8 degrees. So leading us to know that this 30 degrees equals to dPA. So as we know dPA, we could just write our formula of cosine rule, which says AD squared equals to AP squared plus DP squared minus 2 AP DP cos of DPA. So let's plug whatever we have now. AP equals to 8 plus dp, which is 4 minus 2, 8, 4 cosine of 80 degrees. 8 square equals to 64 plus 60 minus 2. This part will give us 52. This part can give us square root L over 2. This part can give us 80 minus 2. This will cancel with this one, giving us 2, the square root of 3. Now let's just square both sides. This can give us 4.96 units. You can write it over here, 6.96. Now let's move on to part 5C. For part C, are told to find the value of y, which is the angle in triangle APD. So let's use the sine rule because we have an angle, looking for an angle between two sides that opposes those angles. So this is sine of y over 4 equals to sine of a over 4.96. We could say we could multiply it side by 4. Sine y equals to sine a over 4.96 times 4. Y can give us sine outside sine of a over 4.96, which is multiplied by 4. On the calculator, we'll be getting 23.78 degrees. So that was all about that lesson.